Xbox Coder here, guys. I am back, but I do know that I nuked my channel of all the videos, and just want to let y'all know that I just want some quality videos. I may release some of the old videos that I had on my channel, um, from like 10 years ago, and we can kind of like review them. It'd be kind of cool just to see what I had on there back from 10 years ago on like old Roblox when RC7 was a big thing. I still have those videos archived, tucked away, and it's like never seen videos. If you've seen them 10 years ago, well then you're an OG of the channel, and I've got to hand it to you. But we're back at it at these videos of modifying games and glitching games and figuring out stuff that you shouldn't be able to do that you can do in these games. So I want to get into this. This video is about how to install there's a launcher on GitHub that I found today, and I figured, what, I'm meaning to make a video on this, just to get my toes back in the water. The Minecraft Legacy Edition source code got leaked. I'm not going to produce any links to the source code, but I will produce a link to the launcher that somebody created that will launch a stable build meant for Windows. Now there is other versions of the launcher for Linux, Mac, so it's not just Windows, but I'm going to stick to a Windows-based tutorial here. If it gets copyrighted, it gets copyrighted, but I do know that in no way, shape, or form am I endorsing stealing the source code. I'm just showing you. If you have a copy of Minecraft, this is the video for you. So let me get you in there. So this is the IO link here for the GitHub. It's called the Ultimate it's the launcher basically. So you have Mac OS, Linux, Windows. It's got profile system, auto updates, cross-platform, making it work for all these. So I'm just gonna click Windows here because we're gonna go do the Windows download. It's gonna download here. I'm just gonna open it up. And it's going to produce this smart screen. And we're just going to click run, let it do its thing. I'm going to do this over here on the side where I am just selecting where I want to download, which users I want to download it for, and it'll say it's installing, and then just run it. So I'm going to go ahead and run this. So this is what you're gonna look like. It's gonna just be all these patch notes. It's just gonna say which version you would like. You can change your username. So I'm gonna put Xbox Coder. Instances. You can change your skin, but we're gonna click install, which is going to download the legacy version, or Legacy Nightly Edition, which, if you were to Google Minecraft Legacy Edition on GitHub, you'll find this legacy version directly. But I'm not saying to go use it or where to get it, but I will just link this one link actually, and it's going to launch, and you're going to have the console edition here, and you will have all these old skins. So if I create the world, and I gave myself Xbox Coder, so this is the Minecraft LCE version, Xbox Coder, there it is. You can also type in chat by just pressing T. But this version does support keyboard and mouse, E to open your inventory, C to open the crafting menu. You kind of have to use your arrow keys to operate certain functions. Q and E will change tabs for you. Left click will mine, right click to place. Obviously this is just kind of, shift to crouch, and then control is actually to run, but I'm sure if you were to go to controls, oh, you can't even change it. Oh, whatever. You can change some of the stuff like the graphics. I like to turn the gamma all the way up during. Yeah, look at that gamma. So at night you can perfectly see without any issues. There's how to play. It's pretty neat. Yeah, and then you can save the game, obviously. You can exit and save. And what's cool about this version is if you have friends or whatnot on your local server or even Hamachi, you could just add server and type the server address. But what's even cooler, I have an Xbox controller hooked up. If you click, it'll actually open up like a little text menu. So they've kind of got this game pretty much working. You should probably just turn off some of these functions here, but you can turn down the music, but why would you? This is the Legacy Edition. There is a functioning tutorial. So you can do the tutorial. So we'll start. A to jump. So we're going to do the tutorial real quick, but yeah, this is basically how you download it, you enjoy it. You ain't gotta have to basically download Visual Studio, set it up, get the source code to, to compile. And then you also don't want that copyrighted material. I mean, this is considered copyrighted material here. But it's free to download. GitHub has yet to take it down, so I don't know what's gonna happen. This is some old code, so this isn't like, use LS to move the pointer, use A to pick an item, or you can use X to pick up half the item. Move this item with the pointer. Da 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 da. So you have some steak in the... So this is just me running through the tutorial, which is pretty cool that this is actually functioning on the computer. But that is it for the tutorial on getting it up and running. You can always click exit and save, and it will always save your world. There's also a Halo world. We'll do creative on. We'll load. But this is not completed yet. Not completed yet, as you can see. Like, here's some stuff that they have made, but it's not completed yet. So like this isn't like a completed Halo world where unless it is completed, hold on. Yeah. There's still another dimension here. Exit without saving. There's a Mass Effect world. Which appears not completed either. Like there's some stuff missing here. I don't know if that's an issue with the game. I know some of these texture packs do work, but that's it.